In this video I'm going to show you the Primate 2X BETA. It's a 6-foot by 11-foot pole. This pole would be great for skimming a pool, also for spas and water features and smaller pools. The great thing about this pole is that it weighs about 1.5 pounds. And like the other Primate poles, the 2X BETA is made out of carbon fiber. This is what gives the 2X BETA its lightweight. And it features the same lever lock as the other Primate poles. Simply open up the lever lock, slide the second section out. Just slide the lever lock down to lock it in place, and it locks it very firmly in place. And to retract it, simply lift up the lever lock and slide the second piece back in. And the actual dimensions of the 2X BETA is 5 feet 9 inches by 10 feet 6 inches. And to give the pole extra strength, the front of the pole is reinforced with fiberglass. So there's the 2X BETA on the far right, next to the 3X, and here's the 2X here. And so when fully collapsed down, the 2X BETA is less than 6 feet in length. So there's a lot to like about the 2X BETA. I really like the weight of this pole. Again, it weighs just a little bit over 1.5 pounds. So this pole is great for skimming the surface. If you carry 2 poles back to the pool, one for vacuuming and one for skimming, the 2X BETA is surely going to save your wrist and your back because of the weight. It makes skimming the surface extremely easy because it's so lightweight, and yet it still extends beyond 10 feet. So you can still get debris that's on the bottom of the pool as well as the surface. It's also ideal for the above ground spas and for smaller in-ground spas. I really like the compact size of the pole. Very easy to carry it back to my accounts. And I have several small pools and spas on my route. So the 2X BETA gets a lot of use on my pool route. Besides skimming larger pools, it's great for those smaller pools and spas. And since it's made out of the same spun carbon fiber as the other Primate poles, the 2X pole is 3 times stronger than your standard aluminum pole. There's no worry about the pole breaking or bending using any kind of device with it. Here it is with the Precision 2.0, which is a very heavy vacuum, and the 2X BETA works perfectly fine with it. So even though the 2X BETA is a small compact pole, it's extremely strong and durable. There's no worry about breaking this pole while you're using it. You can easily turn the 2X BETA into a full-size 16-foot pole or 18-foot pole with the Primate X extension, and you would just simply clip the extension to the front of the pole. So if your pool route mainly consists of small and medium-sized pools, you get away with using the Primate 2X BETA as your primary pole. You would just need to purchase the Primate X extension, and that way you can attach it to your pole if you need to vacuum any of the pools on your route. That's a quick look at the Primate 2X BETA. It's a very versatile 6 to 11 foot pole, and you're going to love the fact that it weighs just 1.5 pounds. And since the 2X BETA is less than 6 feet in length, I can easily store it inside my truck. InyoPools.com has been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have the parts delivered right to your door. Jobber is your business's command center. The easy-to-use app powers your sales, operations, and customer service all in one place. Check the description below to save 20% off your first 6 months.